Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So Dalton's theory and the laws of chemical combination. At the end of the 19th century, scientists were able to differentiate between elements and compounds. So at the end of 19th century, scientists were not now capable of discovering uh, what are elements, what are compounds. Anthony Laurent Lavoisier and Joseph Louis Proust gave two laws explaining the chemical combination of elements. So these two, Anthony Laurent Lavoisier and Joseph Proust, they gave two laws. These laws are called as the law of conservation of mass and the law of constant proportion. So these two major laws were discovered and stated by these two scientists. First, let us discuss the law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass states that the mass of the closed system will remain constant in a chemical reaction. In other words, mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This law was first formulated by Anthony Laurent Lavoisier in 1789. So it was clearly mentioned in this law that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in chemical reaction. Law of constant proportion. As we know, compounds are composed of two or more elements. The proportion in which elements are present in a compound remains the same, irrespective of its method of preparation. For example, pure water obtained from any source and from any country will always contain two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Hydrogen and oxygen respectively combine together in the ratio of 1:8 by mass to form water. The ratio by the number of atoms for water will always be H:2, that is H:O, that is 2:1. Thus 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen and 16 gram of oxygen. Similarly, in ammonia, nitrogen makes up 14/17 of the mass of ammonia, while hydrogen makes remaining 3 out of 70. Irrespective of the source from which ammonia is obtained, it will always contain nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio of 14:3 by mass. Thus, 17 gram of ammonia contains 14 gram of nitrogen and 3 gram of hydrogen, and 34 gram of ammonia contains 28 gram of nitrogen and 6 gram of hydrogen. This led to the law of constant proportion.